his wife, Naledi, go. You saw it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Tell us about that story.
That's, guys.
Don't do things in front of Meg.
No,
Let me give you context. So,
Please give me context.
Meg, when drop someone go apartment, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So when they're dropping off someone, they see someone. So after Meg seeing Sima around Buma 1, they drop off Naledi and they get.
No, Zil, it's okay. Let me narrate it.
Yeah, because you were there.
Okay, because I was there, bro. Like,
Yeah.
Mawani, dropping.
Hey, what happened? What happened?
So, I came from Pretoria.
Yeah.
So I get to my place. I'm hearing commotion, like a noise, nyana, by the dustbins. So I'm like, mina ngithanda indaba athi ngenza ngathi ngiyolahla.
Yeah.
Manje in clubs who make yo ukuthi ngijike ngathi yo nkosi yami ngaze ngazenza. So I'm like, hi Mac, and they're like, oh Sima, what the fuck? The whole vibe. So there's like, and the wife was there.
Yeah.
And 2 other people were outside. So I'm assuming those were Naledi's friends, the wife's friends. Cool. And then Mac was like, dog. So I video call Kanya. I'm like, yo, like, here's Mac. And he's like, oh, hi, how are you? Shop. I'm like, okay, cool, shop. Give me phone. Then Mac was like, let's go drink. I'm like,
Where are you guys going to drink?
I'm like, where? He's like, dog, anyway.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, we can go to coffee, but let's get alcohol and come drink here.
Yeah.
Because it's by my house.
Yeah.
And then he's like, yeah, okay, cool. So we go. And then the lady's like, no, I'm going to stay with her friends. So it was 3 of them. And then I just went with Mac. We go.
One time.
Yeah.
Not like that, but like how? We shouldn't be surprised if you get a raise, Musa.
Table for 2.
Yeah.
I'm a host already, so.
Yeah.
Crazy.
No. Nah. So we go to coffee. When we get there, obviously people are looking at us like, what the fuck? Like, like it was a bit like.
Guys, don't take videos. People will
No, I
think.
did say, actually, I was like, guys, please don't take any videos because now it's going to look weird.
Nah,
They're going
I
to be like,
hear
oh,
you.
you're busy with your boss, blah, blah, blah. Just weird shit like that. And we're just going there to get
top,
shots
like
and
that.
a drink and a fucking Hennessy.
Yeah.
So we got Hennessy and then after he's like, no, man, let's grab some drinks here. So he got margaritas, 2 margaritas, and I got a Long
One
Island.
margarita. You know there's a sound.
Give me one margarita.
So yeah, I got a Long Island. We started drinking. We started talking. We were just literally basically talking about my relationship the whole time. So we're talking, sharp. And then we decided, okay, when we were done, we went back to the house. Then I took a shot of the Hennessy and then I went back home and I slept. Yeah. Go buy inkinga.
But Meg apparently allegedly are ghost we have video call and thing. Where we have video call or live. Where is ghost we have video call?
I can't believe that.
But my thing is like I was home, so I didn't like understand the whole like why are you on my ass like that? Because I'm home, dude. I'm literally home.
No, but you're with Meg, bro.
But I'm with the wife too.
That's what. Kyle, Yenda.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
That's bad.
No, but like
imagine, like you guys know my friends, ne?
But he at the time he didn't know that because
he didn't know what.
Meg,
he didn't know what.
Sima, come on.
Really,
Rihanna,
really.
come on, bro.
But yes, we know that because we're with you 24/7. But as a psycho boyfriend,
Yo.
Mr. Psycho boyfriend, ngona batho.
ukhanya bhekahlanya shem. Noma awa noma bangathi bhekahlanya.
Yo.
And I ukuthi ngifuna ukukusukela, but guys,
That's bad.
Mate,
bad.
you know I love you, but ukhanya would phone at least 50 times a day.
Yeah, that one.
But on to bigger and better.
Hey, that one. Hey.
On to bigger and better.
Because Zuku wa feletse ba re mo tsara tolang di phone.
What?
That's bad, yo. Yeah, show the drinks.
He would never say that.
Who are you with?
Yeah, you'd ask who am I with, and I show him. I'm like, oh,
Now
he's people. And then he's like, oh, okay, cool.
Ouch on me. In the background.
Lumaka. I used to show him, like, yo, like, I'm with these people.
That's bad. That's bad.
Nitsan lap.
I'm telling you that the video call like a vlog. That's bad there.
This is who I'm with. Can I say hi?
Why?
But see, but now, bro, you know, now, I don't even have to think twice when I call you. I can call you anytime. I know the only reason you are not answering my call is because you're asleep because of last night.
Well, true.
Yeah, not because no, you can't answer now.
No,
now
Answer
is-
for
but you guys
calling.
were saying this like I was in some, I don't know, like.
I was bad. You see, I know, Sima.
Swabonile.
Spabonile. Hamba now. Yeah, hamba now. I was bad.
But on to bigger and better, more happiness. We are glowy, as in.
But anyway, yeah, guys. So that's what happened. It wasn't even like 1 a.m. Like, dude, it was probably like 10.
That's not
Then we chilled there.
bad.
We chilled there, and then we came back, and then we chilled for like literally like 2 hours.
So
and then
Mac
we, like,
tweaked the story. Yeah, no, any little spice.
I'm sure.
yeah. Well, and his version was like the way, yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, yeah. Anyway, guys.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosos Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So Usima and Goslubi, you know what, they broke up, although some people think it's just a publicity stunt, but everyone did confirm their breakup, including Umek G. And Umek G and Usima bebaphume out, or actually they met somewhere, and then but decided ukuthi bahambe baye out for drinks, and kuthiwa uguy uGhostlubi was calling non-stop ngema-video call, or Uzile is even saying ukuthi bekuyi-live, and now uyanda Woods and Uzila saying ukuthi vele Usima was in a toxic relationship with that guy. Apparently that guy Diandringa, and uthi uyanda ufuna kumtshela nje mngane wakhe ukuthi ayi cha angizami kuba shady nokudrega or something, but that guy vele kudala red flag. And Uzile even said ukuthi we ayiwanda uqinisile lokho nto abantu ukuthi baqanga ukuthi hayibo uyi-psycho ngaleyo ndlela serious, ngale ndlela ukuthi angaze afone ngema-video call countless times. Uthe makabona nje ukuthi unaMac G wavele wahlanya uGhostlubi, lokho nto abantu abaningi baze bacabanga ukuthi maybe uMac G is the reason why Usima and uGhostlubi broke up. Uvele wakwata mfana babona babo yithu wavele wadampa Usima, and we know how much Usima loves the guy Shem. And said ukuthi njengoba bahlala bahlukana, we know what they are definitely going to get back together again. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.